Hello po sa lahat po ng mga Don Bell fans, sa lahat ng mga lovers ni Mr. Donnie Pangilinan and Miss Bel Mariano, which is Don Bell, ano, dahil may panibago pong news at panibagong good news na inihatid, no, at nagbigay po ng sobra-sobrang kasiyahan sa lahat ng mga Don Bell fans dahil ito po ay napakagandang balita para sa lahat ng kanilang mga supporters. So, bago yan, if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe at i-hit mo na rin ang notification bell for more showbiz updates. Bago tayo, of course, magpatuloy sa ating updates for today's video, nais ko pong pasalamatan kayo, of course, for always watching and trusting this channel. Thank you so much sa inyong laging panonood at palagi ang pagsubaybay sa mga updates po natin. Maraming salamat po. And this time, ito na, pag-usapan natin, isa sa mga napakagandang news po, no, kay Miss Bel Mariano, matapos po talagang yung full support na ibinigay sa kanya ng kanyang mga tagahanga, ay isa rin sa mga pumasok na bagong blessing for Miss Bel, kung saan may panibagong milestone na na-unlock. Si Bel Mariano po has unlocked a new milestone, this time outside the world of film and television, as she and her 19-year-old sister Daniela Mariano officially launched their own makeup line. Ang pangalan po ng makeup line nila is Tali. The makeup line is named after their youngest sister, Natalia. During the launch event, Bel said the moment felt surreal after a month of quietly developing the brand. I'm so happy that this finally happened. So, hindi niya akalain na talagang as early as they can ay lalabas na nga yung kanilang makeup brand ng kanyang kapatid kasi nagkaroon sila ng collaboration ng kanyang kapatid at inilaunch na nga po ito, no? So, I'm so happy that this finally happened. Daniela and I have been working so much dito sa product na to, and our team, dream namin to ng dalawa ni Daniela, and we're doing it na, sabi niya. Bel explained that what set Tali apart from other beauty brand is its heart. Different brands have their way of expressing themselves, but what makes Tali different is the core it's created by both Daniela and I. So ibig sabihin personal po nila tong ginawa. Gusto namin na the makeup feels like your sister, something you can bring everywhere or anywhere you go, she shared. The name Tali inspired by their youngest sibling, 10-year-old Natalia, and we wanted to something catchy but with a story. Sabi naman niya, why not name it Tali? It's our baby now, Bel said, noting that even Natalia has been excited about the project from the start. Of course, Bel proudly revealed that the entire idea began with Daniela, who surprised her family with the full pitch. Sabi niya, pinitch niya talaga sa amin to. She even made the deck. I didn't expect that her age she'd present something this great, Bel recalled. Sabi ko, Daniela, let's work on it. Let's make this both our project. So, hindi po ina-expect ni Miss Bel Mariano na magka-come up sa ganitong kalaking proyekto yung kapatid niya kasi at their early age, nakaisip na talaga siya na magkaroon sila ng negosyo together. Daniela was hands-on from start to finish, from ingredients, texture, and even up to late night shade testing. Minsan nasa taping ako, padadala niya yung makeup para matest ko. Sobrang hands-on niya, sabi ni Bel. The brand debut with 2 products, Cheek Mud and Lip Glaze. Each product comes in 5 exclusive shade crafted to complement different skin tone. Sabi ni Bel, we made sure the shades are perfect for your skin tone, whatever they may be, Bel said. The sister believe launching before Christmas and made perfect sense. Sabi niya, magpapasko na, it's a perfect gift for your loved ones, moms, titas, or anyone who love makeup, Bel shared. With the collaboration strengthened their bond, Bel admit they had minor disagreement mostly on packaging. Sa packaging kami but we compromise. Yung glass look ng lip glaze, idea ni Daniela yan. So lahat po yan ay talagang tuwang-tuwa si Miss Bel Mariano kasi may lalabas na nga nila ito ngayon sa publiko, ano, at this is really a big news for them because aside from the show business, meron po siyang panibagong business which is yung tinatawag na makeup line naman siya, 'di ba? Kasama ng kanyang sister na kung saan ito po yung nag-formulate, nag-isip at talagang siya yung parang nag-isip ng business, no? At timely naman na magpapasko, parang perfect po siya sa mga gift. Sa paglabas po nun, inaasahan po ng ni Belle na hanggang susuportahan po siya ng mga mommies at lahat ng mga nagmamahal kay Miss Belle Mariano. So, isa rin sa mga ikinatutuwa ni Miss Belle Mariano na talagang personal siya nagpasalamat dito po kay Mr. Donnie Pangilinan kasi matapos pong lumabas yung kanilang movie na Meet, Greet, and Buy, katulad po ng ginawa or pinramis ni Mr. Donnie Pangilinan with Miss Belle, talagang nagpa-black screening po siya at ipinost po yan ni Miss Belle Mariano sa kanyang IG account. Doon po sa Instagram account niya ay pinasalamatan niya si Donnie for the support, moral support, and at the same time, financial support dahil hindi po biro magpa-black screening ha. Kasi kapag pina-black screening nyo yon ang isang sinihan, kung ilan po yung capacity nung sinihan na yun po yung babayaran nung nagpa-black screening. Whether iilan lang kayong nanonood or puno kayong nanonood. So, yun po yung parang effort na ginawa ni Mr. Donnie na bagay na talagang inaasahan ng lahat ng mga Don Bell fans na talagang gagawin ni Donnie yun bilang suporta with Miss Belle Mariano kasi pinakita rin naman kasi ni Miss Belle kung gaano niya sinusuportahan si Donnie dun sa kanyang solo era project. So, yun po yung ilan sa mga talagang nilulook forward nating lahat at very happy tayo na hanggang sa ngayon talagang nakikita natin na kahit hindi sila magkasama sa kanila pong project talagang nagsusuportahan silang dalawa and hindi po sila tumitigil na talagang nakikita natin sila together and at the same time is tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung kanya pong mga ginagawa dito po sa kanilang movie. As of this moment po is napapanood na rin po ang Meet, Greet, and Buy sa ibang bansa. And talagang inaabangan talaga siya ng mga kababayan natin sa ibang bansa, sa Canada, Calgary, Canada. At isa rin sa mga sumuporta dito po kay Miss Belle, si Miss Catherine Bernardo po ay nagpa-black screening din para kay Miss Maricel Soriano. At dito po kay Piolo Pascual at sa lahat po ng mga team, at sa lahat po ng mga actors and actresses, nakita natin na nagpa-black screening siya doon. Kasama niya yung buong pamilya niya. Talagang binayaran niya yung buong slot na yon ng sinihan para po magpakita ng suporta dito po sa movie na ito. Kaya naman talagang hanggang sa ngayon na-overwhelm pa rin ang lahat po ng mga actors and actresses, yung mga directors. Si Direk Cathy Garcia Sampana, syempre Direk Cathy yan, kaya talagang susuportahan niya ni Miss Catherine kasi si Direk Cathy po ang director nung kanilang undisputed and yung record-breaking na movie na Hello Love Again ni Alden Richards na kumita ng 1 billion. Ganun po katindi yung kanila at wala pa pong nakaka-break ng record. Kaya naman, kung hindi pa po kayo nakakapanood, magpunta na po kayo sa sinihan to support Miss Belle Mariano para sa kanyang moving Meet, Greet, and Buy. And that's it for today. For more videos and updates, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And please don't forget to follow my Facebook page, Dar Eds TV and Dar Eds Channel. God bless everyone!